Hello everyone. Today I am come with a new ideas. So if you are going any outside place and you have not any editing software in your laptop or PC, so don't worry. Today I come with a new ideas. There you can edit your videos very easily. Whose name is Illusto. And for this you have to go Google and type in search bar Illusto and enter. After this you saw the many links, but you click the first link. After open that link, you can click the try for free, and after that you put your mail ID, password and confirm password. Otherwise you can click that Google or Facebook. So click with the my mail IDs, and after that editing software is open. Now you can create project, put the name of any project like, and you can select the select ratio which you want to edit and click create. So after taking some time, your project is open for editing. After open the project, you can see that media, stock images, stock videos, text, and in text many animated text are also here, that and many stickers are here, transit, filters, effect, masking also, and color correction. So you can edit your videos easily are here. How did you like these new ideas? Please do comment in my comment box and do subscribe for more videos and new updates. Bye bye.